Hey everyone, this is Mark T coming to you from the Hog Tack Collar Garage. Just a little thing that came to our mind as far as on these new takeaway mounts that we're carrying. Give you a little tip as far as where to mount your GoPro or your Insta One or any of your 360 cameras as far as for the best shot on your Harleys, on your big Indians, and everything that contain a fairing. A couple little tips here. All Harleys, all Indians, they all have a round stock mirror stem. With today everybody carrying phone mounts, also having drink dispenser mounts and everything on them, we believe that the easiest way to mount the camera is off the mirror stem. This will work for any Harley or any big Indian or any other bike for that choice. First off, we've got the R2 mounts right here. And in the R2 mount, when you get it out of the package, you will have this rubber strip that's a protective strip that can go around smaller diameter or flat type of mounting surfaces. What we do at Hog Tag Collar is we take this strip, we will wrap it around, push this through this small opening, push the end through the small opening like this, bring it down to where it forms the circle. After that, you can leave this hang, or if you'd like, wrap it back around to make a full circle as far as on your mirror stem. I'll give you a quick instance. We're going to wrap it right now. We'll be putting it on an Indian mirror stem, and this will fit for the Harleys as well. Put it on, pull it down, bring it around, tuck it back in the top hole, pull it tight to where it's good and tight as far as on the mirror stem on the round part. Now, for smaller applications, the R2 as well as the R1, they have this small drop down piece. Bring the piece down. The feet is 3 positions. You will find in one of the positions there are small V-cuts. Pull the V-cuts down since you will be mounting it as far as on a small round stock in diameter to where it looks similar to what you're seeing right here. Then that way when you mount it, you basically have the round stock grip by 3 different positions. We'll give you a quick installation as far as on this one. Open your mount up to where it'll fit. Get everything lined up. Tighten the mount down. Go ahead and tighten it as snug as you can. It will not hurt the mirror stem. Now, we can sit here and basically move the whole bike. The R2 head has the adaptability to rotate 360, and the top also rotate 360 and inwards or outwards up to a 90 degree. Place it at the position that you would like the camera to face as far as forward. Now, we have the snake mounted to this camera, but in instance, if you do not have the snake, you will have this CNC aluminum piece. I will show you as far as on this. This piece is attached to the bottom claw or the knuckle of the camera. Put your camera in, tighten the top nut, and you're ready to go. That way, once you get somewhere, you're at your destination, and you don't want to take the mount off, basically unscrew the top screw, take the whole camera and the base off, and place it as far as where it'll be safe. That way, when you come back, your mount's in the same position as what you were prior. You can mount this mount either left or right. We at Hog Tag, we like to run it on the left-hand side because that's the non-throttle hand side, and we have better ability to turn the camera on and off if you need it, or to work in conjunction as far as with the phone. So either way, it's made to get the camera up, get the camera out in front. With the newer type cameras, with the GoPro 7 and 8s, especially the new Insta modular type 360 or the Insta 1Rs, you have the ability and you have a lot better EIS control as far as on the cameras that will not give you that shaky jello effect. So keep that in mind. This mount is multifunctional. You can basically place it on anything flat, any small round bar in diameter, probably 10 to 13 millimeters, which is right at half an inch to a little bit less. We run it also as far as off of the luggage rack on the back side, where we run a selfie stick in conjunction about 18 to 20 inches up in the air to get that drone effect of the camera, and run it down as far as on the engine guards. Anywhere that you feel safe to put it, and again, do not go putting it on your paint jobs and everything else, but these clamps are very capable of locking down to anything up to right around 1.5 inches. So if you can dream it up, you're not going to ruin your finish or anything of that nature. Go ahead and lock it down. Make sure it's down and it's tight. That way you don't have to worry about losing the camera. These are very solid mounts. They're made out of CNC aluminum and stainless. Don't have to worry about them rusting, and they'll serve you for a good long time. We carry 3 different mounts. We carry the R2, which is the mount that I just showed you. We carry an R1, which does not have the top on it. And you can also use the snake that we carry in conjunction with it. And then we also carry a T1 for side-by-sides, four-wheelers, or anything else outdoor sports. Your slingshots, your Can-Ams, anything of that nature. These mounts work on handlebars. They'll work on almost anything you can possibly deem fit to get your camera out to get a clear view. Again, this Mark T with Hog Tag Collar in the Hog Tag Collar Garage on this kind of dreary looking Tuesday. So y'all have a good one. Stay safe.